If you have ever wondered how some traders suddenly trade with $100,000 or even $500,000 when they might only have a few thousand in their own account, stick around. Today I'm going to show you exactly how that works, what is behind it, and where the traps are that most people never see coming. My name is Jonathan, and here at 4proptrader.com, we have helped over 10,000 traders get their first funded account. That means I know what works, I know what does not work, and most importantly, I know exactly where people burn their money before they even get started properly. So pay attention, because this is everything I wish I had known at the beginning. Where do prop firms actually come from? To understand what a modern prop firm is, we need to go back a bit, maybe 30, 40 years. Back then, big banks and hedge funds had their own trading departments. They literally ran ads in the newspaper. Traders wanted. No joke. People would show up for an interview, go through intensive training, and sit a test at the end. Whoever passed that test got capital to trade with, had to follow certain risk rules, and kept a share of the profits as compensation. For the bank, it was a good deal because they suddenly had many different traders generating yield in many different ways. For the trader, it was good because they had capital they could never have afforded on their own. That principle still exists today, just digital. And you do not need a suit or a job interview anymore. It is called a virtual prop firm, and I am going to walk you through exactly how it works step by step. How does a prop firm challenge actually work? Most prop firms use what is called an evaluation model. You pay a fee, get a demo account, and have to prove you are a trader someone can trust with capital. Some firms do this in one step, others in two. Let me give you a concrete example. In a typical 1 or 2 step challenge, it goes like this. You buy a $100,000 account. The fee for that is somewhere between 100 and 300 euros depending on the firm. In phase 1, you need to hit a profit target, for example, 10%, which is $10,000, without losing more than 5% on a single day and without drawing the account down more than 10% overall. If you manage that, you either unlock your funded account directly or move into phase 2. If there is a phase 2, the profit target is usually cut in half, so around 5%, but the risk rules stay the same. Pass phase 2 and you get a real funded account. On that funded account, the same rules typically apply. Maximum 5% daily loss, maximum 10% overall drawdown. And when you make profits, you keep around 80% of them. Some firms go up to 90% once you have been with them for a while. Sounds straightforward, and in principle, it is. Why does this even make sense? Imagine you have your own account with 10,000 USD. You trade well, you make 10% a month, that is 1,000 USD. Not bad, but you cannot live off that. Now imagine you have a funded account with $200,000. Same performance, same trades, same strategy. 10% of that is $20,000. You keep 80%, so $16,000 in 1 month. You did not do anything different. You did not work more hours. You did not hire staff. You did not sell a product. You just had more capital behind you. That is exactly what makes trading one of the most scalable ways to earn money when you do it right. And that is why this is no longer a secret. Prop firms have grown massively over the last few years because more and more traders have realized there is no point spending years building up a small account when they already have the skills. Now, before we get into how to choose the right firm, I want to mention something quickly. At 4proptrader.com, alongside our CFD accounts, we work exclusively with the 2 biggest and most trusted data providers in the futures industry, DXFeed and Rithmic. That matters because your data feed is your lifeline as a trader. No outages, no slippage surprises, no sketchy execution. Right now, for all new signups, we have a $50,000 challenge account for just €1. You keep up to 95% of your profits, payouts within 48 hours, and free ATAS software included from day one. Link is in the description. Now back to choosing the right firm. How do you choose the right firm? This is the part where most mistakes happen, and I mean that seriously because I have had experiences with firms myself that did not deliver what they promised. The first thing I look at is how simple the rules actually are. A lot of firms bury you on conditions conditions, trailing drawdowns, consistency rules, news trading restrictions, time-based limits. The more rules there are, the more ways you can accidentally break them. I look for firms that keep it clean. Clear profit target, clear drawdown, minimum trading days. That's it. At 4proptrader.com, that is exactly the philosophy behind how the accounts are structured. Few rules, no surprises, so you can focus entirely on your trading. The second thing is the ratio between profit target and drawdown. That sounds technical, but it is actually very simple. I always look for firms with a fair target and a generous buffer for when a bad week comes around. Third thing, the price. How do you spot a scam? Let me be direct. There are firms out there that are simply set up to collect your challenge fees and pay out as little as possible. That is not a conspiracy theory. That is a business model for some of them. A clear warning sign is when a firm allows HFT, meaning high frequency trading. Serious prop firms do not allow that because it does not reflect real trading skill. If a firm explicitly advertises it, there's a good chance they're operating in a gray area or simply have no intention of paying out profitable traders. Another sign, the firm has only been around for a few months. That does not automatically mean they're bad, but it means you have no reliable track record to lean on. I prefer working with firms that have been around 4-5 years or more because they have already proven they can survive difficult periods and still pay out. And now for the part that actually makes a difference. Most traders who fail a challenge do not fail because they're bad traders. They fail because they go in with a strategy that was never built for a prop firm account. Normal trading and prop firm trading are not the same game. The rules are different. The risk structure is different. And once you understand that, your chances go up dramatically. That is exactly what we focus on at 4proptrader.com. We have worked with over 10,000 traders, and what we see consistently is this. The people who come in prepared with a strategy that actually fits the evaluation rules pass. It is not luck, it is structure. The best firms keep their rule book short on purpose because they actually want you to pass. At 4proptrader.com, there are only a handful of rules to follow, and every single one of them is explained clearly in the FAQ. No hidden conditions, no fine print that catches you off guard at payout time, and to make it easy as possible to get started, we have a special offer right now for all new signups. A $50,000 challenge for just €1. You get a 95% profit split, payouts within 48 hours, free ATS software included, $1 to get you in. Everything else is up to your trading. The link is right below this video. Go check it out. And if you have any questions at all, reach out to us. If this video was useful, hit subscribe because we put out content here that shows you how this really works in practice. See you in the next one.